Thogora wa bataraitha ni undu utigite arimi matukanirwo thutha wa guo kwambatira na gikiro kinene ica-ini ikuhi. Kwa muhiano, gunia ya kilo 50 ya bataraitha ya DAP mweri-ini wa kana mwaka-ini muhituku yendagio na ciringi 3,200 no riu yambatirite nginyagia ciringi itanyiheire 6,000. No makaya ma arimi riu maronekana ta maiguikite thutha wa ciringi birioni 5.7 kurekererio ni thirikari. Mbeca ici itanyitwo guteithia kunyihia thogora wa mihuko ya kilo 50 milioni 2.2 bataraitha ria ngirima ĩka 1.1 toria Minister wa Urimi Peter Munya aniriire.
We've even figured out a component of transport in this price because farmers will have to travel to NCPB store to access fertilizer. So the pricing is taken into account the cost that will be incurred by a farmer to reach the nearest NCPB.
Kwambĩrĩria muthenya wa rũciũ, arimi mariendagirio bataraitha ya DAP na ciringi 2,800 o ikunia, NPK ni 3,000, CAN ni kendio na ciringi 1,950, nayo urea makenderio na ciringi 2,700.
We are asking farmers to take advantage of this subsidy and go back to farming. Those who have not prepared their fields to quickly do the preparations now, because we knew there are some who probably, because of the cost of fertilizer, may have delayed in preparing.
Ona kuri uguo Munya ugite gutire na mubango wa kurehe irio kuma nja wa bururi, kuona kuri na irio cia kuigana iria ire na arimi makumbe-ini mao, oho agitanya kimera giki ni gigukorwo na magetha mega.
And may we have enough stocks of the usual staples within the country, so our food situation is stable between now and May.
Ministry ya Urimi ni iranire guthii na mbere na gutirithania na arimi na gwetha njira cia uria mangiarahura mihang'o ya migunda-ini thutha wa ingi kwirikana ni matete mwihoko na makaweherera ni gukorwo matekuona baita oro yothe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.